This video describes empirical and molecular formula. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and if you are new, please hit this subscribe button. Empirical formula. Law of constant composition is that every pure sample of a taken compound has exactly the same composition no matter from where that compound is found. For example, percentage composition of methane is always as carbon is 75% and hydrogen is 25%. Composition remains always exactly the same. Therefore, percentage composition tells the type of elements in the compound and how much each element present as a percentage of total mass of a compound. What does formula show? From the formula we can find number 1, number of moles of different atoms that combine. How many grams of different elements are in the compound? Basically, we need masses of elements that are present in the compound. By experiment, we find the masses in grams that are combined to make a compound. To write a formula, these grams give the moles of atoms and the moles tells the ratio by which the atoms combine. Formula written by this method is called empirical formula, which shows the simplest ratio in which atoms combine. Molecular formula. To write the molecular formula for an unknown compound, we need empirical formula found by experiment, formula mass of the compound also found by experiment. Number 1, by this method, turn the compound first into gas, find its volume and use Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law is 1 mole of any gas occupies volume of 24 cubic centimeter at RTP. RTP means 20 degrees Celsius is temperature at 1 atmospheric pressure. By the second method is by a spectrometer. In this machine, find the comparison of the molecules with the mass of an atom of carbon 12. How can we work out molecular formula? By empirical formula and formula masses, we can work out the molecular formula. It means formula mass depends upon empirical formula. Generally, the following steps are followed by to find the molecular formula. Number 1, calculate the ratio between actual formula mass and empirical formula mass. These are the two quantities, actual formula mass and empirical formula mass for the substance. And the number gained by this ratio by the above formula, that is multiplied by empirical formula, gives the molecular formula of. Now, comparison between empirical formula and molecular formula is empirical formula, that is the simplest one. In empirical formula, atom of elements are shown in simplest whole number ratio. Glucose molecule CH2O. The elements are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and the ratio, simplest ratio is given here. 1 carbon atom, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Element analysis give the empirical formula. Molecular formula is, in molecular formula, the actual number of atoms of elements are shown in the compound, the actual number. The molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. It means in the simplest empirical formula, carbon is 1, here carbon 6, H12O6. Now, empirical formula multiplied with n number gives molecular formula. From where we get that n number, it shows this number is gained by the actual mass of the substance or the compound and the empirical formula mass. When we get the ratio of these two quantities, we get n number. That number multiplied by the empirical formula gives us molecular formula. Empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula, it shows the molecular and ionic compounds. Example, glucose is equal to CH2O and benzene is CH. Elements in glucose, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and in benzene the elements are carbon and hydrogen. They are present in simplest ratio. Molecular formula, it shows the molecular compound only. Example, glucose. In the empirical formula, the simple formula is CH2O. Now when we get glucose, the actual molecular formula, that is C6H12O6, it means that empirical formula is multiplied by the n number, that is 6. The same way we see the benzene, the empirical formula, the simplest ratio of this compound is CH1:1. When we see the molecular formula, that is C6H6, and the ratio between these two quantities, it's the actual mass and the empirical formula mass, we get the ratio and get the number n is equal to 6, and 6 is multiplied by the simple empirical formula, that is CH, and get molecular formula, that is C6H6. Next video will include limiting reactants.